Roblox gift card redeem, how to use Robux. Now, if you want to redeem your Roblox gift card and at the same time you also want to learn how you can use your Robux points, then it is actually quite simple. In this case, I'm simply referring to the browser version of Roblox. So, assuming you're on roblox.com and logged into your account, what you want to do to redeem your gift card is first click on the three lines option located at the top left, which is the menu icon. And from there, you'll simply find all of these options where you have to navigate to this one that says gift cards. So once you go to the gift card option, normally this is a page to use a gift card or to basically shop for a gift card. But to redeem one, just click on the redeem card from the top right hand side there. Once you click the redeem card option on the next page, it will take you to this page where it says redeem Roblox codes. So here you can enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code to redeem, and then just click the redeem button to redeem your gift card codes. Now, second question is if you want to use your Robux points. Now, to use Robux points, you can simply come back to the home tab and then you can simply use it to buy avatars or any other inventories. Here, I can simply come to the marketplace icon right here. When I come to marketplace, you can see different set of characters, clothing, accessories, heads, or animations that I can buy using my Robux points. So, depending upon how much Robux you have, you should be able to purchase those right here. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.